Hi, I'm Adam Diaz, a senior sales engineer here at Privacera, a leader in unified data access and Gen AI security governance. Thanks for joining us today for our video on access management, one in a series of technical videos we call Hit Me With Your Best Shot, a Privacera Explains series, where we take shots at your toughest technical questions. Many times we're asked about the basics of policy creation for access management. Let's jump right in. So we've logged in to the Privacera cloud interface, and we're here on the left hand side going to enter the access management and resource policy tabs. And what we're presented with first are the different applications which are connected to this version of Privacera. For the example today, we're going to look at creating a policy in Snowflake. So we click on Snowflake, and here we are on the access management tab, and we see a number of existing policies which were already established when we connected to Privacera. So for the databases and different data that we're already connected to, so this is Privacera taking control of those resources. And so they're currently blocking all access to those resources. And with this policy, we're going to simply allow a new user to access a resource. And so we're going to give it a policy name. So we're going to say this is sales data access. And we're going to specify the resource by database name, the schema name, the table, and the columns. We'll say all columns. And if we head down here, we can select an individual user. We're going to select user Amy. And for user Amy, we're going to add some permissions where we say Amy's allowed to use the schema, use the database, and to select data from the table and using the columns which we specified above. So we'll say save the policy, and this green box indicates that it's completed successfully. And we see this blue dot here, so this means the policy is on, and that's all we need to do. Thank you for watching this video on access management. Please join us again and visit privacera.com for additional videos in the series.